Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick speed test between the Huawei P20 and the Huawei P10. So let's find out which phone is faster. So let us start to on the phones. So, and the phones are starting and we will have a look on the CPUs. Both phones have an octa-core CPU and the 2018 model, the P20, is should be a bit faster than the Huawei P10, and it is faster as we can see. Okay, let's make the next test with the camera. Point for the P20. Okay, next let's have a look maybe with Google Translate. Point for the P10, I think so, huh? Okay, let's continue maybe with build a bridge. A very nice game, you can build a bridge, as the name said already. Point for the P10, I think. Then the next one may be Clash of Clans. Seems like the P10. Okay, then let's go next to Earth, Google Earth. Remy. And maybe Candy Crush. Point for the P20. And let's check now Wheel Racing 3 for my 20 yards. A high performance app. Point for the P20. Okay, let us check as the last game Subway Surfer. Which one will be the winner? Point for the P20, it seems like. Thank you so much for watching this quick speed test. Maybe if you want, you can watch one of my other quick speed tests if you're interested in. I hope you have a bit of an impression which phone is faster. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.